Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a celebrity makeup inspired tutorial because I was browsing yesterday through celebrity artists, makeup artists, and I came across Anthea Bueno and her perfect rendition of a soft cut crease on Janella Salvador, which makes it look really retro 90s modern vibe. So I'm gonna try and recreate that today on my face. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, first things first, of course, we're gonna start with our moisturizer. This is the Himalaya Herbals Nourishing Skin Cream, and I'm just gonna dot that all over my face for preparation so that the makeup will really adhere to the skin well. Of course, even though I'm staying indoors, you still have to put on your sunscreen. So I bought a new one. This is from Fresh Skin Lab, 98% Jeju Aloe Ice UV Sunblock for face and body with SPF 50 PA++. I bought this because of May Layub, because she was actually recommending it to a lot of her watchers and subscribers, so I figured it's really reliable as a product, and so far it's really good. It's not the kind of sticky sunscreen, even though it has a very high SPF number, and it also covers both UVA and UVB sun protection. So it also works as a sunblock for your body, which is really helpful because your face is not the only thing or area that is exposed to the sun, your overall body too. So don't forget to put sunblock on the rest of your body. Next is, in that photo, Janella Salvador has a really matte face, so I'm gonna take my Everbilena All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Oriental, and that's what I'm gonna use for my base today. I really like this product because it has a squeezy tube applicator, so you can really use it all up to the last of its contents, and it's really affordable. It has buildable coverage from medium to full, especially if you don't have a lot of problematic areas on your skin. This can go to a good full coverage. You can check whether your foundation is matching with your skin shade or skin tone if it doesn't look grayish on your face. Alright, going in with my concealer. This one is from Espolier. This can be found in Daiso outlets all over malls. So if you have a mall nearby that is open, or you can check out Lazada. I believe they are hosting a mid-year sale today. I'm filming this on July 15th, but you might not see it today. So the sale is over, hence I'm sharing old information. I really like it. Its yellow undertone is prominent yellow undertone, cancels out the blue from my under eye bags. Still keeping in line with Janella's makeup look, I'm gonna take this Caroline Pressed powder to mattify my face even more. I guess we're down to bronzer. So I'm just gonna scope the sides of my cheeks with this. This is the Everbilena Advanced Face Trio in the shade Sunset. I believe this is like the deeper shade of contour or bronzer. So I'm just starting that here on my ears and then pulling it downwards like so, and then connecting it to the temples in a slight buffing motion. It gives your face a definition. It's not just one and done flat base. And then pinching my brush to put some definition on the sides of my nose, because God knows I need help in that department. Contour is a little bit harsh, so I'm going back in with my powder just a tiny bit and buff that over the contour to help smoothen out the lines, sporting a very peachy cheek. So I'm gonna take this from the same palette and put that here on top of the contour. Right. I'm actually gonna take a sample card from Becca Cosmetics and the shade Opal. And I'm just gonna run that to the highest points of my face. Because the highlighter in Janella's makeup look is quite striking, but it doesn't give a very chunky look, so I figured this will be the perfect highlighter for that. And then here on the bridge, kind of like an exclamation point. Let's proceed to the brow, shall we? I haven't groomed my eyebrows in a hot minute, so it's quite bushy, but that's fine because Janella's brows are quite bushy as well, and they're not too defined. So I'm just gonna take my Happy Skin Perfect Brows, the cap off, and start here on the lower part, and I'm just gonna add some hair strokes to the places where I think is lacking brow hairs. Then of course I'm gonna blend that out. Yes, I'm gonna take my brush again and add a little bit more. So I'm gonna take a blending crease brush like this one, a neutral brown shade. This is from the Detail Makeover Ecru's Cod palette, and it's in the shade Patch Brown. Tap off the excess and use that to contour your crease area and then extend it in a V shape. A little bit of my bronzer from my face palette. And same thing, I'm just gonna go over that first transition shade and map out. And then I'm gonna take a deeper brown shade, this one called Buff, and use that to contour my crease more. Run a little bit of my bronzer on the lower lash line, just so everything is coherent with each other. And then using this flat shader brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, just a tiny bit, and cut the crease. So we start here, forming a half moon shape. And just check. Okay, once the crease has been cut, set that down with this creamy white shade called Nacre. Nacre? I don't know how to pronounce that, but put it down. What's next? They have a little bit of shimmer on the eyelids, so I'm just gonna take this shimmer shade called Relax Cat 2 and pat that all over the lid where we've cut the crease, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna take a dark brown shade called Buff and ring this part here, just a tiny flick, because it looks as though she has some kind of liner on the eyes. Alright, so I just finished putting false lashes on, and it was the hardest 15 minutes of my life. But in the picture, Janella appears to wear false lashes, so why not go all out today since I'm feeling the mood for authenticity and such. So I'm just putting a little bit of mascara on the base of the false lashes so that it doesn't look like I have false ones on. It's an awkward position. I also set my brow hairs with a little bit of lash glue so that it will look a little bit feathered up. And I think we're off to the last part. This is one of my favorite lip products ever, the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Ink in the shade 116 I Explore. It's a perfect one, and Janella seems to be sporting that 90s lip, which has a dark outline and then a lighter shade on the center. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm going in with a lighter shade. This is the LK's Universal Lip in the shade Latte. It's the lightest one in their collection, and use that to lighten up the center of the lips. That completes our Janella Salvador inspired makeup look for today, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that I gave justice to Anthea Bueno's work, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.